The 84th death anniversary of Meghalaya's revered poet laureate Soso Tham was commemorated with a grand event at the State Central Library, Shillong. The occasion was graced by Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijayashankar as the chief guest and Minister of Arts and Culture Paul Lyngdoh as the guest of honor. The event drew dignitaries, literary figures and family members of the poet, all gathered to pay homage to his enduring legacy. The celebration began with a floral tribute at the statue of Soso Tham, where family members, literary enthusiasts and the public honored the poet's contributions. In his address, Governor Vijayashankar proposed shifting the focus to celebrating Soso Tham's birth anniversary, emphasizing the importance of remembering his life and works as a source of inspiration for future generations. He also called for the establishment of a formal memorial to honor the poet and urged for national recognition of his contributions. Reflecting on a lecture by scholar Shlur C.H., the governor described Soso Tham as a, quote, philosopher and prophet, unquote, whose insights remain relevant till today.
To the entire coming generation of this entire Meghalaya, you seriously think of it and plan for it. You take some of the senior personalities who are available here and you constitute a small committee, ask them to give a report within 30 days, how we can take up this issue and can be introduced at what level. Of course, some of them, they have been participated, painting and essay writing. Only a few of the students have been participated. But it should reach to each and every student community.
Minister of Arts and Culture Paul Lyngdoh praised Shlur C.H.'s presentation, highlighting the continued relevance of Soso Tham's famous call to action, quote, "Ni im hakiwe kipor ayu nginle nakabentakari," unquote, which translates as, "We live in these times, what shall we do for the nation?" Paul Lyngdoh drew a comparison with US President John F. Kennedy's iconic statement, quote, "Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country," unquote, underscoring the timelessness of Tham's message.
Also inspired writers like Nobel laureate Tagore, whose 3 books were penned here in Shillong. We also had somebody of the dimension of Lyngdoh Chaudhary, whose work, An Autobiography of an Unknown Indian, contained an entire chapter which delved on his childhood experiences at Upper Shillong. And of course, Shillong also happened to be the birthplace of the Booker Prize winner, Arundhati Roy. The point I'd like to make here is that Shillong and the cradle of civilization, Sora, have not only inspired writers from within our own community, but also writers of the stature of Tagore and Lyngdoh Chaudhary.
The Principal Secretary of Arts and Culture, Frederick Roy Kharkongor, likened Soso Tham's literary brilliance to Shakespeare and other global literary icons, asserting his position as one of the world's great literary figures. His remarks were reinforced by Shlur C.H.'s lecture, which delved into the philosophical and literary depth of Tham's works. The event also featured the release of a new book, Kidak Kishin Kamanor, by Silbi Pasa. Prizes were awarded to students who excelled in poetry recitals, essay writing, art and quiz competitions. A posthumous literary award was presented to the late John Sentar Shangpliang for his contributions to Kasi literature. Cultural performances brought the celebration to life with notable acts by Light After Dark, a music band of visually impaired artists, as well as performances by the Red Oleanders and singer Ida Wankar, reflecting the vibrant cultural heritage of Meghalaya. The event served as a fitting tribute to Soso Tham's legacy, reaffirming his influence as a literary and philosophical beacon whose message continues to inspire generations.
Come on, this is a run, run. Secondary school. Papa Higher Secondary School. Second prize goes to Dana Lee Shabong and Yakiti Fakme from St. Gabriel Higher Secondary School. Dana and Yakiti, come on up fast. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Srimati Simi Prasad.
Thank you, sir.
Aku kasih minta